All right, what's up, everyone? We're gonna head out to Cardiff Camper Van right now. Actually, we're gonna be heading over there, picking up some windows, marking where they're gonna be installed, and then I'm also gonna be ordering our adjustable height bed today from Adventure Wagon, the Moab bed, and then going to be installing the windows shortly, as soon as I can get it scheduled. The door. Hi, Ollie. Good girl. You stay okay? All right, guys, so we're actually driving directly to owner Corey of Cardiff Camper Van's house. I've had the privilege of knowing Corey for, I think I met him when I was 12 years old, and I'm 35 now, so whatever that is. It's been quite some time. He used to own a surf shop that I was sponsored by and then started working at, and we've continued to be friends ever since. So he's gone into the camper van game, and yeah, he's gonna help us with our build. So heading over there now. He's got some windows for me. I'm gonna be picking those up, and we're gonna be installing those at another shop, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you soon. All right, guys, so I'm headed back home. Sorry I didn't film while I was there. Just got into talking. Like I said, we're old friends, so we got off topic, not just about vans. We were just talking about surfing and everything else. He actually just got back from a long trip in his van. So anyways, I just want to give you guys an update. So I picked up some windows from him. I was kind of debating. So the windows that he had are the sliders. They're the smaller ones. They're the ones that you're going to see on most of these vans. There's also a bigger option, which I like, but they're out of stock, and I think that I like the smaller ones better. So basically what I did is I'm pulling the trigger on the smaller ones. If down the road I don't like it and I want to go to the little bit bigger one, I can pull those out and cut a bigger hole basically and get the bigger ones in there. So it's not a big deal. I can always expand on it from there. Step two is we just measured it out so that when I go to the company to actually cut it out and get them installed, we have a template ready for them, so we know exactly where they're going to go. The reason we had to do a template with Cardiff Camper Van is because we're putting in the Moab bed, which uses an L-track system on the sides, so the window has to be able to fit within that and not obstruct that at all. Otherwise, the van or the bed won't be able to go in. So that's all done. I have an appointment this upcoming Tuesday. So it's actually a week out from today to get the windows installed. I'm ordering my bed tonight, and that should be coming in within a couple days. And the windows will go in on Tuesday, and then hopefully he will have a little break between builds to help me install the bed and the panels in the back, and then we should be good to go. Then it'll be a functional van. The only thing left really for phase one is I'll be doing the swivel seats on the front, 2 seats so they can spin around. We'll put a table there so we can all have lunch with the kids, and then then phase one's done until I go to pull the top down, the headliner down, and build out the whole fan, electrical installation and everything up there. So that's it. We'll update you guys again on the next stop once the windows come in, or not the windows come in, but once they get installed. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Have a good day. What's up, folks? Just left my office. Was doing a bunch of work-related stuff, but anyways, I dropped off my van this morning to get the windows installed. So I'm super excited. It's 4:15 now. I'm running over to my parents' house real quick. I'm gonna have my mom hop in the car I'm in now, drive me over. I'll pick up the van, take it home. She'll still keep this car for a little bit, but yeah, anyways, I'm just excited to see the van with the windows finally installed. So hang tight. We're gonna head over there here shortly, and yeah, get to see the van with the windows. All right, folks, we just picked up the van. The shop was incredible. They did a great job. It's a really nice guy. It's called Sprinter Pit Stop, out in the Miramar, Sereno Valley area. Miramar Road, Sereno Valley. If you guys need anything, they do tons of mechanical work for Sprinter vans, so they're the shop to go to, it seems like. Anyways, they did a great job. They're installed. I'll give you guys a little review on them later. I'm just letting them kind of set up a little bit, you know, because they silicone them in and all that kind of stuff. So we'll do that, and then start on the next project. Once the bed gets delivered, we'll get that installed and get it, the panels up and everything. All right, cool. Thank you guys. Enjoy. You can see the window. There it is. Thing's killer. All right, guys. Bye-bye.